In this video, you'll learn how to use add-ons, install them. What we're going to add is the screencast keys add-on, and that's so that in the following videos, as we go and learn more about Blender, you can easily follow the clicks I make, like what I press and stuff like that. Yeah, hopefully that'll help you. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Go to Brave browser or whatever browser you use and input github.com/nutty/screencast/keys/releases. Pause that if you need to. And we're gonna download the screencasts _keys.zip, this one right here. Put that in our desktop, which is fine. All right, that's downloaded, so we're good. Then go back to Blender, then go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, click that, then go to Install. Then we can go to, what is it called? Instead of Documents, we'll go to Desktop right here, right? And then we have the zip right here, so click Install Add-on, should be good, and then just select it right here. In case it doesn't show up automatically like this, you would put like screen. There it is. All right, so there you've downloaded your screencast, and to make things easier, we're just gonna enable it on startup. So save. Oh, don't save. Okay, it's already automatically saved. All right, all good. Just refresh, cancel, get out of that, exit out. Don't save because you're not really making anything. Go back in here. All right, I think screencast keys down here. See the little screencast keys right here. We are going to change a few things. So the color is going to be like an orangey, so it's easier to see. Offset means you either move it left or right. That's on the X, Y, and Z. Display times, it's like how long it's going to be there. So like the click, so let's say I press D, it shows D, and I think it has an X amount of commands or inputs I made, and that's corresponding to max event history. And so 5 is pretty good. So yeah, so for 5 seconds it'll display the last 5 inputs I made, so you should be able to easily follow this. I'm gonna make this honestly a little bigger. Yeah, okay, there we are. And that way you should be able to follow the videos a lot better in the future. All right, so that's it. Hopefully you learned how to, add add-ons, and this will make your life easier. Until next video.